How to activate your BigPay card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Tech. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can activate your BigPay card. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to activate your BigPay card, you can see what you can do for the physical card activation over here. So in order to do this, first of all, after opening your BigPay app, you have to go to the card section and then click on the option that says I have received my card. So what you need to do is just open the BigPay app and then go to card section and then just click on I have received my card. Now once you are there, you have to enter the 3-digit security code, aka also known as CVC, behind your Visa card for activation as shown in this picture right over here. You should be able to see the 3-digit code like this. You have to go ahead and simply paste them in the activate BigPay card section. Once you do that, you should be able to set the pin for this new card for your upcoming purchases over the counter. Now if you have a virtual card and you want to activate it, the virtual card is the white card in the app which you'd get as soon as you make your initial top up of RM20. And if you don't see it after activating a physical card, you can simply swipe left, and best part is that it is already activated. And that's all it takes to activate your BigPay card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.